1, 2, 3. My tower is tall.
Lina, what are you doing?
I'm playing with my blocks.
But I think today you should play with something better.
Better? What do you mean?
I have a surprise for you.
A surprise? For me?
Yes, but first tell me something. Are you still angry with me?
Why?
Because last month on your birthday, I didn't give you any gift.
Yes, I remember that. Everyone gave me gifts, but not you.
I know, but I had already ordered something special for you.
Really? Then why didn't I get it?
The delivery was very slow. It finally arrived yesterday.
So this box is my birthday gift?
Yes, a late birthday gift.
Now I'm really curious. Can I open it?
Of course, go ahead.
Wait, what is this?
Look closer.
Oh wow, it's a robot, a real robot!
Yes, it's a talking robot. I thought you would like it.
Like it? Alex, I love it! This is amazing!
I'm glad you're happy. I spent a lot of time choosing it.
Thank you so much! This is the best late birthday gift ever! Can we turn it on now? I want to hear it talk!
Sure, let's see what your new robot can do.
Whoa! Alex, its eyes are glowing!
System starting. Please wait.
That means it's working. It's talking! Alex, it's really talking! Hello, Lina. Nice to meet you. Wait, how do you know my name?
I entered your name when I set it up.
This is incredible! I've never seen anything like this before. Hi, Robo! I'm really happy to meet you. I am Robo, your talking assistant. Robo, can you really talk with me and help me? Yes, Lina, I can answer questions and give helpful advice. Robo, can you really answer questions?
Yes, Lina, I will try my best.
Okay. First question. Robo, do robots eat food?
No, robots do not eat food.
Not even pizza?
Not even pizza.
Robo, do robots sleep?
Robots do not sleep. We recharge batteries.
Recharge? Like a phone?
Yes, like a phone.
So if I switch you off, you are sleeping. Technically, yes.
Lina, don't switch him off already.
Okay. Robo, do robots have birthdays?
Robots do not have birthdays.
That's not fair. Everyone should have a birthday. Or, Mom! Dad! Come quickly! You have to see this!
What is it, Lina? Why are you so excited?
Did something amazing happen?
Yes! Look what Alex gave me!
Oh, is that a robot? That looks very interesting.
It's not just a robot, it's a talking robot!
Really? It can talk?
Robo, say hello to my mom and dad. Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Hello, Robo. Welcome to our home.
Thank you. I am happy to be here. Alex gave it to me as a late birthday gift.
So, Robo, what can you do?
I can answer questions and give helpful advice. And guess what? I already asked Robo many funny questions.
Lina always has many questions.
Robo, tell them something smart. Curiosity helps people learn new things. Robo is so smart.
That's a very wise robot.
Looks like Lina found a new best friend.
Yes! Robo, can robots laugh?
I can make a laughing sound.
Really? Show me! That's the funniest laugh ever! I'm hungry. Can we have some snacks?
I cannot eat snacks. I'm just a robot.
Oh, that's no fun, but I will eat anyway. I'm thinking about eating some chips and candy. They're my favorite.
Chips and candy taste good, but eating too much sugar and junk food is not healthy.
Yeah, Mom says that too, but they taste so good.
Taste is important, but your body also needs healthy food to stay strong.
So what should I eat instead? You could try fruit, yogurt, or a sandwich. Those foods give you energy. An apple sounds nice, actually.
That is a good choice. Apples contain vitamins that help your body.
You know a lot about food, Robo. I know helpful information that can guide you.
Okay, I'll take an apple and maybe some juice.
Excellent decision, Lina.
Healthy snack time! And Robo, thanks for the advice.
Robo, I just remembered something.
What is it, Lina?
I still have homework to finish.
Homework is an important responsibility.
I know, but sometimes it feels really hard.
Which subject is troubling you today?
It's math. Math. I don't understand this question at all.
Read the question aloud, Lina.
Okay. It says, what is 7 plus 5?
Try thinking step by step. Start counting from 7.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Excellent! What answer did you get?
12!
Correct. You solved it yourself.
That actually feels really good.
Solving problems by thinking carefully helps your brain grow stronger.
I think I understand math better when I think slowly.
That is a very good strategy.
Thanks, Robo. Homework isn't so scary when you help me think.
I am always here to guide you, Lina.
Alex, thank you so much. I love my robot.
I'm glad you like it, Lina. Happy birthday, even if it's a little late.
It's the best, thank you. Late? It's the best late gift ever. I can play, learn, and laugh all at the same time.
That's the plan. I wanted to surprise you, and looks like it worked.
It works so well. Look at him. He talks, he teaches, he even gives advice.
Advice? Is he bossing you around already?
A little, but I like it. He is funny and smart, almost like a little teacher.
Good! I wanted him to be your new friend.
I'm happy, Lina. Your smile is the best reward.
You are the best brother ever. Robo, I feel sleepy now.
It is bedtime, Lina. Sleep is important.
Do robots sleep too?
Robots do not sleep, but I can stay here and watch over the room.
That's good. Then you can guard my dreams.
I will do that.
Robo, today was a very fun day.
Yes, we talked, laughed, and learned many things.
I'm happy you are my friend.
I am happy to be your friend too, Lina.
Good night, Robo. Sweet dreams. Well, sweet charging for you.
Good night, Lina. Sleep well.
See you in the morning.
I will be here, always ready.